Good afternoon, folks. Showing off this 2018 JLU Jeep Wrangler Sport in black. It's a one-owner Dallas vehicle, never been outside the Dallas area. I don't believe it's ever been off-road either. I'm pretty sure she's been a pavement princess since new. It's fully serviced. We also just put 5 brand new tires on here, including the spare, obviously. Being a JLU, is the 4-door version, and also being a JLU, this is the current body style. So this is a sport, but it's fairly highly optioned for a sport. It does have trailer tow package, auxiliary switch package. It does have the upgraded infotainment system. It's Apple CarPlay compatible. Also has automatic transmission, Trac-Lok, rear differential, limited slip. So it's a fairly highly optioned sport. Remote keyless entry. Let's check it out. Interior is in great shape. There's no rips, tears, or stains anywhere. It does have the all-weather floor mats are just covered up. But as you can see, interior is super clean, great condition. Leather-wrapped steering wheel. This one does have the 8-speed automatic transmission mated to the V6 Pentastar, which I'll show you in just a second. We'll do a startup at the end of the video here. As I said, it's fully serviced, oil change, all the filters have been changed, new tires. This does have right at 55,000 miles on it. As I said, one owner, Texas vehicle. Here's the back. If you're looking for a clean JLU, whether it's to off-road, daily commute in, use as a family car, whatever, this is a great one, great option. It hasn't been messed with, it's totally bone stock. And as I said, I don't believe it's been used hard. I think it's just been driven around DFW. Clean title, clean history, as all of our Jeeps are. It doesn't look like the top's ever been off it. There's no marks, cracks, dings where we usually see on these from taking the tops off. Paint's in great condition. I don't believe there's any scratches, rock chips. Let me double check. I don't remember there being any. No, not really. She's really clean. Let me open the hood for you so you can see the passenger, or excuse me, not the passenger, the engine bay. As I said, this is the Pentastar. It's been around for, I guess, about a decade now. They've put it in pretty much everything. It's a great engine. We see a lot of these go fairly, well, really high mileage actually. There you go. Let me do a startup for you so you can hear it and do a quick walk around. Don't forget to like, tag, and share us on Facebook. Check out our YouTube page, obviously. And check out our website, johnsonmotorsales.com. You can reach us anytime, 940-808-2382. Thank you much and have a great day, folks.